You've learned the basics. You can write functions, validate forms, make things interactive. But now comes the big question. What do you actually do with JavaScript in the real world? Let's talk about where you can go from here and show just enough code to get you curious. JavaScript isn't just for the browser anymore. Node.js lets you run JavaScript on your computer, like Python or Go, so you can build servers, CLIs, APIs, or even desktop apps. Here's how a simple Node script looks. Run it in your terminal with... That's it, no HTML, no browser, just raw JavaScript doing work. There are other runtimes too, for example Dino and Bun, but start with Node. It's the standard for a reason. Let's say you do want to stay in the browser, but you're tired of manually updating the DOM. That's where React comes in. React makes it easier to build interactive user interfaces, like this. Every time you click, the UI updates automatically. But React isn't alone. There's Vue, Svelte, Solid, Quick, all with their own style. Explore and pick what feels right. React is the most popular, and the ecosystem is massive. JavaScript is dynamic. It won't stop you from doing this. TypeScript will stop you. That tiny change, it can save you hours of debugging, especially in big projects or when working with teams. Start with TSS in it and try converting small scripts. You'll either love it or grow to love it. Finally, don't forget the fun stuff. Once you know JavaScript, you can learn specialized libraries that bring your ideas to life. Want to build games or visual apps? Try PixiJS, a 2D rendering engine. Boom, a red circle in WebGL, just like that. But what if you want to go deeper, like rotate a cube in 3D space? That's where Three.js comes in. It's a full-blown 3D engine for the browser. Yes, that was a full spinning cube in your browser, rendered live with WebGL. You also have other popular libraries, Tone.js for music, Chart.js for data, and Fabric.js for canvas-based design tools. The JavaScript world is huge. Pick what excites you. JavaScript can go anywhere. Servers, apps, games, dashboards, scripts. So tell me in the comments, what do you want to build next? Servers, games, interactive dashboards, something weird? You've got the core tools now. Time to explore, remix, and build your own thing. And I'll see you in the next dimension.